You're gonna take this challenge?
Yes.
You understand it's the hottest corn chip in the world.
Yes.
So you're happy with it?
Should be.
Okay. So once you eat that, you will not drink anything for 3 minutes.
Okay.
And we'll continue talking to you. You have to talk to us continuously, and you have to tell us how you're feeling and everything. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. So grab tissue paper. Oh, yes. Okay, you have to wash your hands.
That's all.
Okay. Put the whole chip inside your mouth, whole chip, and then you have to chew it.
Shit, that's gonna be quick.
Yeah, because if you break it, it will go in your nose. So you go put whole chip inside your mouth. And chew it. You have to chew it. Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
No, you swallow it first. Chew it and swallow it, and then
Yeah, it is
it is hot.
totally hot to compared to the other corn chips, definitely.
Yeah.
And it's got quite a lot of chili powder, whatever the hot things is on top.
Well, it's got 3 different types of chili in it.
Yeah, it's really hot. It's got like it's getting the chili and hot to my up to the throat here.
Yeah.
It's now I can feel like bit like oh shit. So it's on my cheeks, on my lips, and a little bit on my gums.
How do you inside's alright?
Inside is all right.
Yeah, it's
not too bad on the inside.
Alright, I just got burping because it might be too hot.
Yeah, that's alright.
Oh yeah, still controllable, but
So you're comfortable with it?
yeah,
You can have
no,
lassi if you want.
I'll hold it until I can do.
That's alright.
So is it getting hotter and hotter?
Yeah, it's getting hotter, and my hands is getting a bit sweaty now because of might be the extreme heat and might be a little bit weather. Yeah, start getting bit.
Don't touch any because you've got that chili in your hand. Yeah, you wipe it with your.
Yeah.
You can have just.
You have to wash it. Yeah.
Yeah, it is hot. Like even.
Still.
I think I can't eat more than 2 chips at a time.
Okay.
One is enough for a while, like another half an hour.
Yeah.
He ate 2 simultaneously.
Oh, that's good. I want. Yeah, it is getting.
Yeah.
Oh,
You have your
I got like my.
Yeah, use tissue.
Yeah. It's not bad.
It's not bad.
If you can manage, like you're not gonna be feeling like you're gonna be your BP is going high.
Yeah.
But you're feeling the heat everywhere, like in your eardrums, you feel bit tingling.
Tingling.
Second time it was hurting like along my ear.
It's mostly like heats in over your face, not
And your tongue and your
and
cheek,
tongue
right?
and above this part, you're getting more heat than the bottom.
Yeah.
But I think as soon as I drink something, it will go to the rest of the body.
It's getting watery eyes, man.
So that's why I tried not to drink on top of the heat.
Yeah, just make sure that you drink a lot of milk tonight when you go home. Milk, otherwise it will get.
No, definitely. I'll probably drink at least 500 ml milk straight. But it's
Is it getting better? Is it hot?
No, it's settling down now.
Yeah.
It's getting bit weaker and weaker as a heatness. But still, I feel my tongues at the bottom is getting bit.
Yeah, it'll stay like that for a while.
You sure you don't want lassi?
How many more minutes to go?
It's 4 minutes already.
Oh, then I'll go.
Yeah.
See.
How's that feel?
Oh, that's better. Definitely, you have to keep the handy, something like that.
Yeah.
Because once you, the spice of the top goes to your throat as a roll.
Yeah.
You feel like dry powder.
Yeah.
Heat powder, like before it goes with the saliva, so you won't feel.
So this one is 1.5 million Scoville heat.
Yeah, I can see that.
It has got 3 chilies, Carolina Reaper, which is the strongest.
Okay.
Then it goes ghost pepper, which is second strongest, and then there is third one, right?
Habanero?
It's on the
There's a
side.
scorpion.
Scorpion, yes.
Okay.
What's the scorpion?
So it has got Carolina Reaper, Scorpion Chili, Bhut Jokia, citric acid, sugar, paprika, dehydrated vegetables. Bhut Jolokia was one of the hottest in India.
Oh, is
It
it?
was Indian chili. Then they hybrid it and make Scorpion chili. And after that it was hybrid again and
Then-
Carolina Reaper. So Carolina Reaper is like 100,000, I think 1 million something.
Yeah, something like that. And then between 1 million, 2 million.
Scoville heat.
Yeah.
So why they made that product?
There is another one which has got 10 million.
No. Definitely not for me.
So this is 1.5 million. There is another one with 3 million. Another one is 10 million.
Yeah.
Shit. Why they made that much chili? Wow.
This is
gonna
the
eat?
this is the competition. It's a challenge which goes around. If you go on internet, you find hottest chip,
Chips.
and you will find so many videos where people are doing this challenge.
Oh, shit.
Okay.